Hello, I'm Ron Edwards with Big Feet Creations, and I fill the category of printer for Dallas LeTip. I'm the speaker for this week's meetings, and that means that I get to speak for 10 minutes about what I do. I actually do much more than just printing. I consider myself to be a print consultant. I can look at your artwork and tell you if it's ready to go, if the color combinations work, if the fonts are going to be legible, if they're going to print too small for somebody to read, and what will be graphically the most appealing to your customers. I check and make sure that your artwork is high enough resolution for the printer and that everything is print ready. I'm more than just a printer, I'm a print broker, and that means that all of Dallas and Fort Worth is my print shop. That means I don't have to specialize in any particular kind of printing, but I have relationships with printers that do just about anything. I purchase the print work at wholesale prices and then turn around and sell it to you for the same price the printer would, or often even less. I always try to turn things around quickly, and I even deliver the print jobs in person, when possible. I always guarantee your satisfaction with my work, and if you don't like something that I did, I'll redo it. Come and hear me speak this coming Wednesday at Sherlock's Grill in Addison, Texas. Bring your business cards and prepare to meet some incredible professionals in a lot of different fields. I promise you that you won't be disappointed. We have great food, we have great people, and we have a good time together. So, come and join us. My name is Ron Edwards. I may have big feet, but I make prints of all sizes.